guys, so I wanted to do this quick video pretty much based on a lot of posts that I've been seeing on the forums about recommending how your clients can remove their lashes. Now, sadly, I've seen a lot of technicians obviously wanting to help their clients and recommending using a lash remover. Now, the problem is lash removers are designed for professional use only, and as we know, they're very, very strong products, and if they get into the eye, oh my god, do they sting. So technically and legally, you cannot recommend that your clients use a lash remover, because imagine if something was to go wrong, it's going to be on you. So although you do want to help your clients, and I completely appreciate that, please don't start recommending them to use a lash remover, because like I said, if they get it wrong, and we know that the eye needs to be closed and you need to know what you're doing with this product, you can cause a lot of damage. So it's best if they can let their lashes grow out on their own, but there are home remedies that we can recommend, such as baby oil or coconut oil. But again, you have to be very careful in recommending these, because things like baby oil and coconut oil are not actually designed to be used on the eyes. So again, you're in a very grey area if you start recommending that your client uses this to remove their lashes, because God forbid something was to go wrong. The onus possibly is going to come back on you, and in the current climate that we're in at the moment, do you also want that added stress of maybe a client coming after you because something went wrong? Now, let's hope that doesn't happen, but I just always want to explain the legality behind what we do, because it's not just as simple as being able to recommend what they can do. Now, it's up to you how you want to help your clients, but I just really thought it was important that I put that message out there for you guys, so that there is no grey area in what we're doing and how we're trying to help our clients.